It's a new month, and that means a new topic. This month, we're going to be covering electrical safety and energy control. And this week, we're starting with Lockout and Tagout Basics. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Now, this is a topic that we've actually covered in the past, but we're going to be covering again because it's just that important. Electrical energy and stored machine energy don't care how long you've worked around them. They don't care if the repair will just take a second. They can hurt you fast. Lockout, Tagout, or LOTO gives us a clear way to stop the energy before the work begins. It protects the person doing the job, the person walking nearby, and the person coming into the next shift. A good LOTO is more than just a lock on a switch. It's a habit. It's a promise. It's a line that nobody crosses. And here are a few tips that are going to assist you with Lockout, Tagout Basics. Number one, you want to know the difference between normal operations and service. Clearing a small jam during a regular operation may follow one procedure. Repairing, cleaning, adjusting, or replacing parts often requires full energy control. Don't guess. Check your facility procedures before you place your hands near danger. Number two, you want to shut down the machines properly. Use the normal stop controls first, then isolate the energy source. This may include electrical power, air pressure, hydraulic pressure, gravity, heat, springs, or moving parts that can shift. Machines can retain energy even after the power is off. Respect that. Number three, apply your own lock and tag. Your lock protects you. Your tag is going to tell others who is working and why. Never remove another person's lock unless your facility has a written process for that situation. No shortcuts, no favors, no I thought they were done. Number four, verify zero energy before the work starts. Try the start button after isolation per your facility's procedure. Check and make sure that stored energy has been released or blocked. A machine that looks dead may still be ready to move, and that's the trap. And last but certainly not least, number five, manage keys and locks across shifts with care. Multi-shift maintenance needs to have a clear handoff step. The outgoing worker should check with the incoming worker when possible. Supervisors should track the lock and job status as well as the key control. Confusion creates risk. Clean communication prevents it. And as always, these are potential tips. Please be sure to follow the rules and the regulations of your specific facility. LOTO works because it slows us down before the danger speeds up. It forces us to stop, think, check, and confirm. And that pause can be the difference between a normal workday and a life-changing injury. Build that habit every time. Protect your crew. Protect yourself. The lock matters, but the mindset behind it matters even more. And thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until next time, have a great week, stay safe, and here's a word from one of our sponsors.
If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.